folks, I have an Alto ukulele to show you today. This is number 773. It's for a customer named Mark, and it was really fun to put together. This one, the back and sides are dogwood, and this is from the tree that Ken at the Carpenter Ant Stash cut down many years ago. It's really curly and wavy and colorful, and it works good as a back and sides for a musical instrument. And the top is some curly Orford cedar. This is from the Oregon coast. Same for the neck, more curly Orford cedar with a little dogwood stripe there. And then we've got dogwood for the fretboard and headplate. So dogwood kind of looks and acts kind of like pistachio, but a little lighter and a little more muted looking. But it really does well for those jobs on an instrument, back and sides and fretboard, etc. Got the Santo inspired headstock here, and then Mark asked for some wooden strap buttons instead of metal ones. And yeah, it's strung high G. It's got a really nice sound. Yeah, really fun. It's lightweight, it's funky looking, it's curvy and wavy and natural, and I really am proud of it. So, 773, ready to go. Cheers.